Here's something wild. Native English speakers use phrasal verbs in conversation about 80% more than they use regular verbs. Why? Because they're shorter, more casual, and they make you sound natural. But here's the catch. You can't just translate them. Put up with doesn't mean put something up and wait. Today, we're cracking the code with real, messy, authentic English from an actual job interview scenario. Imagine this. You're interviewing for a marketing job. The interviewer asks about your experience. Candidate A says, I worked on social media projects. Candidate B says, I set up 3 new social media campaigns and took them off with incredible results. Which one sounds more confident and natural? Spoiler alert, it's the phrasal verbs. Let's watch the full interview dialogue now. And I'll pause to break down the phrasal verbs you just heard. Let's freeze frame on what just happened. The candidate said, I set up 3 new social media campaigns and took them off with incredible results. We worked out a strategy that increased engagement by 40%. 3 phrasal verbs. 3 seconds. And the interviewer is already impressed. Set up means to create or establish. Take off means to become successful or popular. Work out means to find a solution or develop a plan. These 3 alone can transform how you talk about projects. The interviewer then asks, how do you handle difficult clients? The candidate replies, I always follow up within 24 hours. Deal with complaints immediately, and come up with creative solutions before they expect them. Follow-up means to check on something, or contact someone again. Deal with means to handle or manage. Come up with means to create, invent, or suggest. Notice how these phrasal verbs show action, responsibility, and problem solving. Native speakers use them to sound proactive. Here's the trick nobody tells you. Phrasal verbs are informal. They're perfect for interviews, casual meetings, and conversations, but not for formal emails or legal documents. In the interview, I came up with a solution, sounds great. In a formal email, I developed a solution, is better. Think of phrasal verbs as the spoken language of business, not the written language. In your interview or casual workplace conversation, they make you sound confident and fluent. In a formal report, stick to single verbs. Alright, here's your challenge. I'm going to give you 3 situations. And you tell me, would you use a phrasal verb or a single verb? Situation 1. You're texting a coworker about a meeting. Would you say, put off the meeting, or postpone the meeting? Phrasal verb. It's informal and quick. Situation 2. You're writing to your boss requesting budget. Would you say, we need to set aside funds, or we need to allocate funds? Single verb. It's formal. Situation 3. You're in a coffee chat with a colleague about a project. I'm dealing with a tight deadline. That's phrasal verb territory. You just learned when to sound natural and professional.